नमस्कार. माझ्या क्रिकेट कुझिन कारवा चॅनलच्या सफर बार्बाडोसच्या रत्नांची मालिकेत आता मी येऊन पोचलो एका नवीन घरापुढे. आणि हे घर कोणाचं आहे तुम्हाला ओळखता येईल नाही, कदाचित चित्र बघितलं असेल तर येईल. हे घर आहे साक्षात सर गारफील्ड सोबर्स यांचं. गारफील्ड सोबर्स या घरात जन्मले, वाढले. आता ते दुसरीकडे राहत आहेत, पण त्यांचा मला वाटतं शेवटचा भाऊ अजूनही या घरात राहतो. राहतं घर आहे, त्यामुळे मी जास्ती जवळ जात नाही. पण या घराबद्दल आणि सर गॅरीबद्दल माहिती द्यायला मला मिळालेत आता त्यांचे शेजारी. हे सर.
Hey, hello.
हॅलो, व्हॉट्स युअर नेम?
Andrew is my name, yeah.
Hey, hi. Nice meeting you. So, you live right opposite the house of Sir Gary Sobers, right?
Yes, sir, yeah.
And what's your experience? Have you met him?
When I was boys, obviously, when he was in his prime, we were still little boys. So
Okay.
I met him a few times,
Okay.
coming back from his tours, cricket tours,
Wow.
and stuff like that. Yeah.
But
All of his family lived there. His two brothers, one in the back, he passed, and his sister.
Oh.
I grew up
grew up with
with
them?
his family.
Great.
We were little boys running about.
But I remember, I mean, he was a great. I mean, he's like a god to West Indian
Of
cricket,
course,
to the
yeah.
world of cricket, right?
Of course.
So when he used to come to house and meet you as a kid, how was? I mean, was he like very social or very?
Yeah, friendly man. Yeah, as far as I know,
Friendly man?
just like his brothers and sisters. Yeah, all were friendly. Yeah,
Okay,
very down to earth.
very down to earth.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what I heard about him. But it's so nice, you know, this gods of the cricket living right up front of you.
Yeah. And unfortunately, most of his friends, most of his generation, they're all gone now.
Yeah, true.
Nobody's around.
Yeah.
Only his brother actually
Okay.
is the only one remain.
So, do you want to share some nice memory which all of your childhood with Gary?
I just remember he's coming home and he had this brand new Jaguar. We used to like to clean it and run behind it. But as in terms of socializing, we never really socialized.
Okay.
I said I was a real little boys at that time.
Did he give you a ride in his Jaguar?
No.
But you like to clean it, right?
Yeah. We like to see
It's such a nice gesture as a neighbor, as you know, serving to the great god of the cricket. You know, cleaning this new Jaguar is something awesome, man.
Yeah.
Really.
That's about the memories. Just him coming home.
Does he still visit here? He still visit here?
Well, not while I was home. He doesn't, I don't know how often he comes down.
Okay.
He's up in age now.
Yeah, I know. I see him on the TV on that day, but yeah, it's quite a, yeah.
I guess he and his brother they correspond through phone and stuff like that.
Oh, okay, great. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much
No
for it.
problem, yeah.
सो मला कशी आठवण झाली माहिती का, गेल्या वेळेच्या वर्ल्ड कपला मी ॲडलेडला सर डॉन पॅडमनच्या घराच्या बाहेर होतो. आणि त्या शेजारच्या घरात मला एका म्हाताऱ्या बाईने सांगितलं होतं की मी ते सर डॉन यांचे शेजारी होते आणि अक्षरशः चहा प्यायला आपण शेजारी असे त्याची आठवण सांगत. त्याची मला आठवण झाली. तर गॅरी सोबर्सच्या शेजाऱ्यांची म्हणजे हा माणूस होता, तो लहान मुलगा होता गॅरी जेव्हा खेळायचे तेव्हा. पण आठवणी अजून शाबूत आहेत आणि खरंच एक महान क्रिकेटपटू. पण तुम्हाला परत सांगतोय, एका एवढ्याशा छोट्या घरातनं मोठा झाला आहे. म्हणजे घर, तुमचं गाव, तुम्ही कुठे जन्मत आहे याचा काहीही संबंध नसतो तुमच्या कर्तृत्वाशी. हे सर गॅरी सोबर्स यांचं घर किंवा मगाशी बघितलं फ्रँक वॉरेल यांचं घर किंवा त्या रेहानाचं घर तुम्ही बघाल. आज ही माणसं एवढी मोठी आहेत की खरंच तुमचं कर्तृत्व फक्त तुम्हाला मोठं बनवतं. तर बघत राहा म्हणजे सफर बार्बाडोसच्या रत्नांची मालिका. पुढे जाऊन आता नवीन एका घराकडे किंवा नवीन ठिकाणाकडे जाऊया. बघत राहा क्रिकेट कुझिन अँड कारवा. धन्यवाद.